Walking downtown and I'm okay. He's got it all figured out. It's what they all say, yeah. Everyone.
Hey guys, hello, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time on my YouTube channel, you're definitely welcome. My name is Maryann Okonkwo-Abakporo. On this channel, I make videos about productivity, lifestyle, and just building my career here in the US while living my best life. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a recipe that I've been trying out, and so far it has been really working in terms of just helping clean my tummy and also aiding with weight loss. So I'm going to be showing you guys the recipe you need to make it and how to make it. So let's get started. If at the end of watching this video you found it helpful, make sure to hit the subscribe button, join the family. Just wanted to share with you guys the recipe because looking good and feeling good. So I recently got back into like running and fitness journey, and I'll be sharing a little snippet of that if I continue with you guys. So this is just one of it. I hope you guys enjoy. So I'm going to be showing you guys what you'd need for this particular recipe. You're going to need some cucumber. Depending on how much you want to make, I rather make it in big quantities so I can store it and just drink it for the rest of the week. So I'm using 3 pieces of regular cucumber. I'm aware that there's like the other one that is really long. I like using that one for my salads and putting in my water because I feel like those ones taste a little bit sweeter than this. So for today, I'm going to be using 3 pieces of cucumber, a very large ginger. I might eventually add one more ginger, but let's see. Yeah, so I might add like half of this because I really want it like gingery. 3 pieces of pineapples and lemon. 3 pieces of lemon. I'm just removing the labels.
Everyone's looking at me thinking that I'm different. Everyone's looking at me thinking that I'm living. But I don't really care what they all say. It's easier said than done. Guy, problems with everyone, but it all comes down to you. You are my anxiety. It's more than a feeling. You were never meant for me. But now I gotta keep it. Walking downtown and I'm okay. Eyes on me, I don't know what to do, so I smile and I wave. Alright. Everyone's looking like they know what they're doing. Everyone's looking like they know what I'm pursuing. I'm trying not to give them the time of day. It's easier said than done. That guy with everyone, but it all comes down to you. You are my anxiety. It's more than a feeling. You were never meant for me. But now I gotta keep it. You are my anxiety.
So I'm using a big bowl just because it's a lot. This is how much we've cut. Don't forget to put a plastic bag in this side so you don't have to clean that one. Let's get started.
Everyone's looking at me thinking that I'm different. Everyone's looking at me thinking that I'm living. But I don't really care what they all say. It's easier said than done. That around town and I'm okay. Eyes on me, I don't know what to do, so I smile and I wave. Alright. Everyone's looking like they know.
I just finished and this is what it looks like. I feel like I added like too much ginger, but then again, you never go wrong with ginger. So it doesn't hurt. I'm gonna drink it now. And you want to take this first thing in the morning when you wake up. And if you can take it late at night before you go to bed, it just aids your digestion, you know, of all the food you've eaten during the day. So definitely check it out. It's really good recipe. So cheers, guys. And it's so refreshing. Really, really good. Thanks for watching. I hope you subscribe and join the family if you enjoyed today's video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.